Hello fans, there's something I want to share with you. The former president of Nigeria, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, gave touching reasons why Igbos are ahead of other tribes in Nigeria. I will say it the way he said it. He started by describing Igbos as the most intelligent and gifted tribe in the whole world. And he also said that Hausa man sees Kano as his world and Yoruba man sees Lagos as his world, but Igbo man sees the whole world as his world. He said that from the research that he made, that he found out that Igbos are the most westernized, most enterprising, most astute, most dynamic, most intelligent, and the most technical gifted tribe found among the black race. The Hausa, Fulani, and Yorubas have limitations, but an Igbo man doesn't see any limitation. An average Igbo man is highly competitive, unlike the Yoruba and Hausa Fulani. While the Yoruba and Hausa Fulani had kingdoms which enabled the British to infiltrate their territories easily, the Igbos, on the other hand, had what could be called chiefdoms autonomous communities. These structures made it very difficult to tame the Igbos. It took the British just 9 months to tame the North and the Southwest, but almost 30 years to be able to tame the Igbos. While a Tinubu can have unrestricted influence over the Yoruba tribe, something you can only find mostly among blacks and some poor nations on earth today, an Igbo man can never be tamed by the ideology of one man unchecked, no matter how highly placed he or she is. That's why the Igbos are very successful, no matter where they find themselves. They don't believe in putting limitations on their path. You can only find such similarities among the Europeans, the Americans, and developed Asian tiger nations. Wow, this is a Yoruba man talking, not an Igbo man. Igbos are very enterprising and hardworking. Let me give you an advice. If you go to a strange land, ask for an Igbo man. If you don't see an Igbo person there, pack your load and leave. That place is not safe for you. Hope you enjoyed my video. Subscribe and leave your comment. Thank you.